Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about ES6 classes in JavaScript. First, to start, in object-oriented programming, a class is a blueprint for creating objects, providing initial values for variables and implementation of functions or methods. This image shows how a car object can be the template for many other car instances. In the image, there are three instances, the Polo, the Mini, and the Beetle. Here we have a new class called car that will structure car object to contain information about the car model, the color, how many passengers it can hold, its speed. ES classes formalize the common JavaScript pattern of simulating class-like inheritance hierarchies using functions and prototypes. There are simple prototypes based on P, offering a convenient declarative form for class patterns. So why we use ES classes? The syntax is simpler and less error-prone. It's much easier to set up an inheritance hierarchy using the new syntax with the old. Class defends you from the common error of failing to use new with the constructor function. And calling the parent prototype version of a method is much simpler with the new syntax than the old. So here we have an example about the ES6 classes. So to start, we have a class user. We will take a constructor that have a username, email, and a password. And to build a constructor, we use this.username equal username and this.email equal email. And finally, to put a password, we will use this.password equal password. Inside the class user, we create a register function that will take a console.log to print a message this.username concatenated with isNow.register. Here, we want to create a class member that will inherit from the user above. So we use the same concept, the constructor. We'll put here the username, email, password, and we'll add a member package. So instead of copying the info above, we'll use the super method to inherit data of the class above. So the username is used, the same one, the email also, and the password. And we add here this.package equal member package to add here the member package added. And we add a function inside this class called getPackage that will print the username concatenate with is subscribed to plus this package and the package here message. So we created a new member called Mike and we passed in the username, the email, the password, and the package. So here we call the two function and we will show it in the output terminal to see what the program code will give us. So as we can see, the output gave us a message as expected that Mike is subscribed to the standard package and Mike is now registered. That was a brief explanation about the ES6 classes and inheritance. Thank you for watching.